Hello there, just got done watching the Netflix series Dragon's Age Absolution. It came out in 2022. It's an animated series with 6 episodes, and each episode is around 25 minutes at the max. It is TV for mature audiences, and the storyline is after running into an old friend, Miriam joins one last mission for the Inquisition to retrieve a mysterious object hidden at the Summer Palace. It makes me feel like this is part of, like, you said it was part of a game or something?
I think so. Dragon Age, I'm pretty sure I think it's a game,
or a series or something, because this definitely feels like this is a continuation maybe of these characters, or at least one of the characters or story or something. Awesome representation, like right away. Like within the first 5 minutes of the first episode, you're seeing diversity and representation of the LGBTQ plus community, which I was thrilled about. There's lots of action. There is lots of gore as far as like blood and stuff like that.
Animated blood.
Yeah, it's animated, so lots and lots and lots of action. I would say that I did feel like this series should have had a strobe disclaimer at the start. Being someone who has epilepsy, I am sensitive to strobe, light strobing and effect strobing. And there is quite a bit, especially in the last few episodes. There's quite a bit of strobing going on. But yeah, I feel like they should have had a disclaimer about the strobe light stuff. I thought it was a great series. I'd give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. And if they ever do come out with any type of like new seasons, I'd be more than happy to watch a new season of this. But since it came out in 2022, I don't know if they'll ever have another season, but yeah, you never know. Let me know if you've seen Dragon's Age Absolution, what you thought of it. I was really entertained by it, and with it being only 6 episodes, it was a pretty quick and easy binge. So yeah, I'd recommend it if you enjoy kind of like magical fantasy animated series. Thanks for watching this, and if you don't enjoy those types of shows, let me know if you enjoy any type of animated series or any animated show that you've enjoyed in the past. Thanks for watching, and I'll see if I can link the trailer or something to this below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.